We're going to do a mail merge using Canva and using Google Sheets. So this is just, I just opened one of their templates. This danger zone thing, that's them because they're saying it's too close to the line. I didn't mess with that. So that's their indicator. Okay, down here it did just say name, and I changed it to 2 text boxes, which you know how to insert text boxes, and I just changed it to first name and last name. And then I added another text box down here that said date, and one over here that said teacher. And notice that if I selected a font that even though I typed in upper and lowercase letters, it made it all capital. When I use my input settings, they have to be exactly the same. So now let's jump over to our spreadsheet. So now I'm in Google Sheets, and I put in my headings. Here's first name, here's last name. Again, since that was all uppercase, I changed it to uppercase on here, but you wouldn't, if you used a different font, you wouldn't have to do that. I'm just trying to save us from another problem. Here's all my names, my date, and everything that I'm going to do. Next, you would go File, and you would go Download, and you would download it as a CSV file. I already did that so that we didn't have to wait in the video for it to download. It should only take a couple minutes. So then I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to go to, here's my bulk create where I said that mine's always at the bottom, but I'm going to go to apps in case yours isn't. I would type in bulk create and then choose bulk create. And then I'm going to go down here and we're going to upload data. And now it's going to take me to where I save my files. Here's recent, and here's my file that I downloaded. Like I say, it should only take a little bit of time, but I didn't want to wait for it. So now I could sit and do auto match fields, which is what we were trying to do yesterday, but since our network is kind of unreliable, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click first name, and then I'm going to do right click, and I'm going to do connect data, and I want to connect it with first name. Then I'm going to click last name, and then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to do connect data and connect it to last name. Then I'm going to do the same with date. I'm going to right click it to select it. Then I'm going to, or left click it to select it. Then I'm going to do right click, connect data, and I want date. And then I'm going to do the same for teacher. I'm going to left click it to select it. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to do connect data, and that I want to be teacher. So now I should have all my fields selected. So then I'm going to go to continue. And there's all of my people. There were 15 names in my spreadsheet. So now I'm going to do create a design. And now it's going to say view design up here. And here are all my certificates. Takes it a moment to fully upload. And here's my Mickey Mouse. And here's the date. And Miss Boyles is his teacher. And then I'm going to go down. Mini, and then notice it automatically changed. So from here I would just do file print and they would all print. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this saves you some time. Thank you.